Hi friends, we're going to learn all about a hurricane by reading this book. Hurricane. Hurricanes. Rain falls along the coast. Trees bend from the swirling winds. A hurricane is coming. A hurricane is a giant spinning storm. It has heavy rains and strong winds. Winds whip up the ocean water. Crash! Waves smash onto the beach. Hurricanes are also called typhoons or cyclones. Hurricanes form over the ocean. Sometimes they move to the coast. On land, hurricanes are dangerous. Hurricanes are huge. They can be up to 1,000 miles across. Here you see the land, the ocean, and this is the hurricane. A hurricane's winds knock over trees. They blast out windows. They blow roofs off houses. Hurricane winds can blow more than 155 miles per hour. Hurricane winds push walls of ocean water onto the land. This is called a storm surge. Hurricane rains and storm surges cause floods. Storm surges can be more than 20 feet high. Water from floods covers streets. Rushing water may get into homes. Sometimes people get trapped by the water. Rescue workers try to save people who are trapped by the floods. Hurricanes often take days to reach land. This gives people time to get to a safe place. Check weather reports to find out if a hurricane is coming. If a hurricane hits, stay inside. Keep far away from windows. Then broken glass won't hit you. Some people board up windows before a hurricane hits. This helps keep winds and flying objects from breaking the glass. Hurricanes often destroy homes and towns. People work hard to rebuild them after the storm. It can take years to fix damage caused by a hurricane. Here are a few facts about hurricanes. They spin in a circle, and the center is called an eye. Most hurricanes that hit the United States occur in the southeastern part of the country. Hurricanes are given names. Hurricane winds and storm surges can knock out power lines and electricity. If you live in an area where hurricanes occur, keep flashlights, blankets, bottled water, and food on hand.